Hello everyone, welcome back to our next session, and in this session we are going to take a very important application of permutation and combination chapter. In this application we are going to discuss how we can calculate the maximum number of points of intersection between any two curves. It can be two lines, it can be between two circles, a line and a circle, two parabolas, anything. So if two curves are given to you, then we need to calculate how many maximum number of points of intersection can be there between those two curves. So let's, without wasting any time, let's start the session. So let's say first case of two lines. Okay, that means it is given to you that we have five lines. How many maximum point of intersection can be possible? So if you see the two lines are parallel, there cannot be any point of intersection. But if two lines are intersecting, we have one point of intersection. So we can say from two lines, maximum one point of intersection can be drawn. So one point of intersection is possible if two lines are intersecting, but in case of parallel lines, no points of intersection will be there. Same way in case of two circles, if I say that we have two circles, so maximum point of intersection can be obtained by intersecting these two circles. So how many point of intersection will be there? 1 point and 2 points. So we can say in case of two circles, we can have at most 2 points of intersection. तो सिंपल सा फंडा ये है, अगर टू लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट हो रही हैं तो वी कैन हैव एट मोस्ट वन पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. If two circles are there, we can have at most 2 point of intersection is there. Okay. Now, what type of question we get in our exam? Like it is given that we have five lines and let's say four circles. We have to find from these two curves, these not only two curves, these are two categories of curve. So how many maximum point of intersection will be there? Maximum points of intersection can be drawn from these curves, five lines and four circles. So what can be the possibilities in these cases? In this case, first possibility is to find point of intersection between five lines. Second possibility is point of intersection between four circles. Then third possibility, when we have point of intersection between lines and circles. Okay. So first of all, let us understand how can we get point of intersection between five lines. तो देखो लाइंस के बीच में पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन तभी आएगा अगर दो लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी. We have five lines and out of those five lines we need one point of intersection that can be drawn only if two lines intersect each other. Okay, तो आपको फाइव में से टू लाइन सेलेक्ट करनी है. This will give you the maximum number of point of intersection between lines. Okay, so 5C2 will represent the number of point of intersection between two lines. Now this is basically the number of ways to select two lines, and if I select two lines out of these five, and we know that by selecting two lines we get one point of intersection in each case, so the total number of point of intersection between five lines will be 5C2 into 1. Basically 5C2 into 1 represents 5C2 represents number of ways to select any two lines from 5. टू लाइंस क्यों सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि दो लाइन सेलेक्ट करेंगे तभी वो एक पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन दे पाएंगे. ओके, सेम वे इफ वी हैव फोर सर्कल्स, वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट टू सर्कल्स, but in this case we will multiply by 2. Why we are multiplying by 2? Reason being, first of all we have to select two circles, because if we have one circle like this, another like this, so at most 2 point of intersection can be there. Okay, मैक्सिमम पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बिटवीन टू सर्कल्स विल बी 2. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि ओनली वन पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन इज देयर, दैट मीन दे टच ओनली ईच अदर, और इवन दिस इज पॉसिबल दैट दे डू नॉट टच. But in this question we need to find the maximum point of intersection. We are not going to take these two cases. We will take that case in which the points are intersecting. And we know that if I select any two circles from these four circles, maximum point of intersection between two circles will be 2. So that's why we have multiplied by 2 here in this case. Now if I need to calculate the point of intersection between lines and circles, तो आप ये देखो, अगर एक सर्कल है और एक लाइन है तो इनके पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मैक्सिमम कितने हो सकते हैं? इट कैन बी 2. 2 से ज़्यादा तो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन नहीं हो सकते. बट फॉर दिस आई हैव टू सेलेक्ट वन लाइन एंड वन सर्कल. So that means what we can do here, we can select one line 5C1 and one circle from these four, and then we can multiply it by 2. Why we are multiplying by 2? Because we know that when we when we are taking one line and one circle, we will get maximum 2 point of intersection from these two curves. So आप इसे solve कर सकते हो. 5C2 into 1. What will be the value of 5C2? It will be 10. 4C2, it will be 4 by 2 into 3 by 1, 6. 6 into 2, you will get 12. From this, it will be 5 into 4 into 2, that will give you 40. Okay, so adding these, it will give you 40, 50, 60, 62. So we can say that the maximum point of intersection between 5 lines and 4 circles will be 62. This should be the final answer to this question. Okay, I hope this concept is clear to all of you. And not only in the case of lines and circle, even if we have any other, let's say we have parabolas. So if I have one parabola and another parabola, what can be the maximum point of intersections? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can get at most 4 point of intersection between two parabolas. So let's say if I'm taking, let's say if I'm saying that we have 5 parabolas. So how many point of intersection can be there from 5 parabolas? So we know that we have to select any two parabolas and then multiply it with 4. Why we are multiplying with 4 in this case? Reason being because we know that when two parabolas intersect with each other, at most 4 points can be drawn out of them. Okay. So 5C2 kitna banega? It will be 5 by 2 into 4. That means 10 into 4. It will be 40. So this will be your answer in case of 5 parabola. So whatever be the curve given to you, whether it is line, it is circle, it is parabola, कोई भी curve दिया हो, whenever you need to find the maximum point of intersection, you just take care of this thing कि कभी भी वो दो कर्व्स इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो मैक्सिमम कितने पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं. अगर टू सर्कल का केस है तो 2 पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आ रहे हैं टू सर्कल सेलेक्ट करने से. लाइंस के केस में इफ आई सेलेक्ट टू लाइंस we will get 1 point of intersection. And in case of line and circle, we will get 2 points of intersection. We have seen many times this type of question in our exam. So this concept is very important. You must understand this concept. And if you have any doubt or any query in this concept, you can give your feedbacks in the comment section. We will try to solve all those doubts or queries. Okay. So stay tuned with us. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed it yet. We'll come up with more such sessions. Thank you.